Bonjour! Welcome to the 2.7 quiz prep video. We are now going to get ready for our 2.7 quiz. So, as usual, we've got our 2.7 quiz linked up here. Then, listening section. There are 6 questions. They're worth 1 point each. Like always, there will be a video of me reading the questions. Then, the next section is called Où sont-ils allés? Where did they go? So make sure that you know the irregular past participles and how to form the passé composé using the helping verbs être and avoir. Okay, so the only verb you know that uses être as the helping verb is aller. All of the rest use avoir. So you need to know how to conjugate both avoir and être. This section is super similar to the 2.7 practice Où sont-ils allés assignment, the second section on the practice I gave you for aller and the passé composé. It's very similar to that section. So if you did well on that, you should be okay. If you did poorly on that, but you know what you did wrong, you should be okay. The next section, this is called non, and this is using ne personne and ne rien in both the present tense and in the passé composé. This is very, very similar to the Armel à la grippe assignment, which was in your 2.7 notes on quelque chose et quelqu'un. Also in this section, make sure you can conjugate voir, the verb to see, voir. And then for your sentences, expression personnelle, you are going to talk about the last time you went to the movies. So I don't know about you all, but I haven't been to the movies since 2020, like January 2020, so over a year since I've been to the movies. The last movie I saw in a theater was Cats, so that's a terrible legacy. Can't wait until I'm fully vaccinated and we have herd immunity so I can go to the movies again. Anyway, you're going to tell me about the last time you went to the movies and you were going to use the passé composé. So, for example, I went to the movies. You need to tell me when. So for me it would be last year, but it could be last month, last week, yesterday. It doesn't matter. You could lie. And then with whatever person, the word for with is avec, A-V-E-C. And then you could say my sister with Billy Bob, whatever you'd like. I saw the title of the movie, so this is voir in passé composé. I liked the movie, or I did not like the movie, so it's still passé composé. And after the movie, après le film, I went to place. So just another place you went. You could say I went home, I went to the store, I went to a cafe. Doesn't matter. Just make sure that you submit these sentences before you go take the 2.7 quiz so I can check your sentences. And you can make sure that you get a 100 on the sentences portion of your quiz. Some of you are missing points for no reason. And that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. Do this practice, review, and then you'll be ready for the 2.7 quiz. Au revoir!